In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum quantity in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing an online store or just starting out, there are times when you may want to set a minimum purchase requirement for certain products. This feature can help you manage inventory, ensure cost-effectiveness, and even increase sales by encouraging larger orders. Today, we'll walk through a simple, step-by-step process to configure this setting. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your WooCommerce dashboard. Once you're logged in and ready, navigate to the Products section on the left-hand side menu. Click on All Products to display a list of all your items. From here, you'll need to choose the specific product for which you want to set a minimum quantity. Click Edit beside the product you wish to modify. This action will take you to the product editing page, where you'll see various details about this item. Next, let's move our focus to the Product Data section, which is typically found in the middle of the page. This section is crucial as it holds various settings and configurations related to your product. Look for a series of tabs located near the top of this section. You'll see tabs like General, Inventory, and Shipping, among others. Go ahead and select the Inventory tab. This area is all about managing stock, and you'll find everything you need for setting purchase limits here. Once you're in the Inventory tab, you'll notice a few different fields waiting for your input, but today we're going to focus on minimum quantity and maximum quantity. First, in the minimum quantity field, input your desired number. Let's say, for instance, you want the minimum purchase to be 3 units. Simply enter the number 3. This tells your WooCommerce store that customers must purchase at least this many of the product in a single order. It's a straightforward way to encourage buyers to order in bulk rather than purchasing single items. Now, the counterpart to this setting is the maximum quantity field, right below the minimum. While we're focusing on setting minimums today, you might want to consider this setting too if controlling both the smallest and largest allowable orders makes sense for your business strategy. Once you've entered the minimum quantity, it's essential to save your changes. You'll typically find the Save or Update button in the top right corner of the screen. Make sure to click that before moving on, as failing to do so will result in the changes being lost. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully set a minimum quantity for your WooCommerce product. It's a practical feature that can help drive larger sales and manage your inventory more efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips that will enhance your online store's performance and your overall e-commerce experience.